Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up an integration to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to Airtable. This is necessary to automatically transfer new leads from Google Lead Form to other systems. For example, in Airtable you can create new rows and conveniently work with them in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, select the data source system, in this case Google Lead Form. Now, select the system where we want to transfer new leads from Google Lead Form. In this case, select Airtable, Add Row. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead Form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, we can give it a name or just click Continue. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Now you see the URL for receiving data. It is to this URL that new data from the Google Lead Form will be sent. In order to continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your Google Ads personal account. Next, go to the Ads Assets section and select Lead Form. Now we need to select the lead form from which we want to receive new leads and go to its settings. Go to Other Data Integration Options. Paste the copied URL from the Save My Leads system. Copy part of the URL and paste it into the key field. After this, you need to send test data to the specified URL. To do this, click Send Test Data. After that, click Save and return to the Save My Leads system. At this stage, you need to connect your Airtable account to the Save My Leads service. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your Airtable personal account. Next, we provide access to your databases. I recommend providing access to all databases at once in order to be able to work with them in the future. When the connected account appears in the list, select it. Next, select the database in which we will create new rows. Also select the table. Now, you see Airtable fields to which you can assign variables from Google Lead Form. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can use not only variables from the drop-down list, but also enter data manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all required fields are filled in, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Airtable as new rows for each new lead from Google Lead Form. If you are not satisfied with something, click back and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Airtable. After successful sending, go to Airtable and check the result. If you are satisfied with everything, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. In order for new leads from Google Lead Form to be instantly transferred to Airtable in the form of new rows, you need to enable auto update. To do this, click Finish Setup. If you want to change the connection name, you can do this in its settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.